Hello students. In the previous class we have discussed about few cell organelles. Today we are going to discuss about the Golgi apparatus and the vacuoles. Golgi apparatus first of all was discovered by Camillo Golgi, and it's a network of the membrane. It's a network of membrane which are just parallelly arranged with each other in the form of stacks and vesicles. In the form of stacks and vesicles. When these stacks are known as cisternae. These stacks are known as cisternae. Cisternae, right? When these Golgi bodies are present in a plant, so they are known as dictosomes. So if a question will come, what do you mean by dictosome, or write the functions of dictosome? So no need to confuse, no need to just fed up. Dictosome means Golgi bodies in the plant cell. So the functions remain same. Whatever is in the animal cell, it almost is the same in the plant cell. But exceptionally, it is absent in a prokaryotic cell, mammalian RBCs, and the sieve cell that is present in the plants. Sieve cells in the xylem. So it is absent in the sieve cell. That we are about the sieve cell and xylem we are going to discuss in the next chapter. That is chapter tissue, right? What is its function? Its function is a secretion and packaging of proteins. Protein is usually secreted by the endoplasmic reticulum because they are bearing ribosomes. उनके पास ribosomes होते हैं और ribosomes convert करते हैं RNA को proteins में. But pack कौन करता है? Golgi bodies. They form the cell wall in the plant. Cell wall I have told you in the previous lecture कि cell wall बनी होती है cellulose and hemicellulose से, और वो कहाँ से produce होता है? Through the Golgi bodies. Yolk in the animal cell. You might have seen the yellow and the white part. The yellow part is the yolk and white part is the albumin in the egg. You might have seen yellow and white part. The yellow is the yolk and the white part is albumin. That yellow part of the egg is made up by these Golgi bodies. Formation of acrosomes on the sperm tip. If you see the diagram of sperm, they are having this tip-like structure and they are having a tail at the end. So this acrosome, this tip is made up by the Golgi bodies because this tip is very much essential. It contains some type of digestive enzyme which just break down the outer hard layer of egg, right? Formation of lysosomes. Lysosomes we'll study further, so you just keep on watching my videos. You will get to know each and everything. Formation of plasma lemma. Plasma lemma means plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, right? Next topic is vacuoles. Vacuoles are what? Vacuoles are just big sacs with those who are having a single layer. When they are having one single membrane, they are known as tonoplast. These sacs can be filled with some fluid. They are usually non-living. They are very much small in the animal cell and too much big in the plant cell, because plant cell has to store the food material, water, है ना? You might have seen the flaccid seed or flaccid leaf, है ना? That flaccid leaf is because of vacuole are contain water. That water make it flaccid, right? It is all about the vacuole. Next is lysosome. If we are discussing about the lysosomes, so you can say that lysosomes are the suicidal bag of the cell. Many times this is a very common question that comes in your class. What do you mean by lysosome? Write the function of lysosome. Usually teacher asks about it. So lysosome is the suicidal bag of the cell. Lysosome. It is known as the suicidal bag of the cell. Why it is so? Why cell require a suicide bag? What happened with the cell कि उसको एक suicide bag की requirement होती है. Listen, suppose we are having one cell. हमारे पास कोई भी cell है. It is having one nucleus. It is having mitochondria. It is having some Golgi apparatus. It is having some ribosomes and some vacuoles and many more things, cytoplasm. Because of any injury, this cell got destructed. from here. Or this cell had a severe injury that cannot be recovered. इस सेल को एक बहुत चोट लग गई, या ये सेल एक कैंसरस सेल में कन्वर्ट हो गई, राइट, मीन्स कि ये सेल बॉडी के लिए हार्मफुल हो गया. सो उस केस में लाइसोसोम का जो बैग है वो भरा हुआ होता है बाय द डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम. लाइसोसोम एक बैग है, एक वैक्यूल की फॉर्म में होता है, एक बैग की फॉर्म में होता है, जिसमें भरे हुए होते हैं आपके डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम. एंड दीज डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम आर हाइड्रोलिटिक इन नेचर. विच टाइप? हाइड्रोलिटिक. Hydrolytic suggests that it breaks the hydrogen bond. When two hydrogen are joined by one bond, these enzymes just break down this bond. जब ये बॉन्ड दो हाइड्रोजन के बीच में टूट जाएगा, so ऑलमोस्ट सेल में जो भी बॉन्ड्स हैं वो कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन के बीच में होते हैं. जब ये बॉन्ड टूट जाएगा तो मॉलिक्यूल्स टूट जाएंगे, मॉलिक्यूल्स टूट जाएंगे तो सेल डेड हो जाएगी. और ये डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम जो कि हाइड्रोलिटिक है नेचर में, सेल को कर देते हैं डाइजेस्ट. इसके अलावा लाइसोजाइम को गार्बेज बैग भी कहते हैं. जितने भी अनवांटेड सब्सटेंस होते हैं या टॉक्सिन सब्सटेंस सेल में आते हैं वो सभी लाइसोसोम की हेल्प से फिनिश किए जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट सेल ऑर्गेनेली इज, सो इफ यू वांट टू राइट इट्स फंक्शन यू कैन राइट it is a suicidal bag of the cell. It contains hydrolytic enzyme. It just bursts out in the cell whenever cell wants to die itself. When cell feels कि वो अपनी body के लिए खतरा है, it just blasts itself. Right? For the next cell organelles, you can watch my new video. Thank you.